Hello everyone, welcome to Pixar Trick, and in this tutorial we are going to create painting effects in Photoshop without the oil filter. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First import the photo, then choose the primary layer and duplicate it by pressing Ctrl J. Next choose the duplicated layer and go to Image, Adjustments and Shadows and Highlights. Now press OK. Next duplicate the newly duplicated layer or the newly created duplicated layer by selecting the layer and pressing Ctrl J. Next go to Filter, Other, and from there choose High Pass to add some sharpness into the image. And here keep the radius around 2 pixels and hit OK. Now select both the duplicated layers and merge them by pressing Ctrl plus E. While selecting the duplicated and merged layer, again go to Filter, from there go to Sharpen and choose Unsharp Mask. Here set the amount, keep the radius around 2 or 3 pixels and hit OK. Again go to Filter, Stylize and this time select Diffuse. Choose the anisotropic mode if not selected already and hit OK. Then go to Image, go to Image Rotation and choose to turn it clockwise and then again go to Filter, Stylize and Diffuse. Choose Anisotropic and hit OK. Repeat both of this rotation and diffusing process twice. It will eliminate the unwanted artifacts in the image. Again go to Filter, from there go to Noise, Reduce Noise, set the strength to 10, set the preserve details around 50% and hit OK. Next again go to Filter, Sharpen, Unsharp Mask, set it to 100% or less, set the radius around 2 and hit OK. Now duplicate the last duplicated layer by pressing Ctrl and J and rename it as Oil. Again go to Filter, Other, High Pass and from there keep the radius around 2 pixels and hit OK. Now set the blending mode to Overlay. Now with the top layer selected, press Alt, Ctrl, Shift and E to merge all the layers into a new layer. And now rename it Painted. Now here is this additional step we can do to make it more creative. Create a new layer. From there choose the brush tool. And again choose another foreground color for the left side. Hit OK. Next go to the blending mode and select Overlay. Now we can choose the zoom tool by pressing Z and we can zoom in a bit. And now we can toggle between the eyes to see that this was our primary image and this is the effect we got right now. Now we can press Ctrl and 0 to fit the image on screen. So that was all for this one. Thank you for watching. Hit the like button if you loved the video, comment on it and share it with others. And don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this.